this video, I'm going to show you how to fix AirDrop issues on the latest iOS 18.3 update. So this actually means how to fix AirDrop issues after you've done this update. And the first thing we're going to check is we're going to check if we have our AirDrop on, if we are connected to a Wi-Fi network, and if we are connected to Bluetooth. And when you want to AirDrop with a computer, you need to be sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, that you have Bluetooth on your desktop, and that you have AirDrop on. So if you've done this, we can go for some other checks. We are going to our settings for this. And in here, we are going to click on General. And in here we see AirDrop. Click on AirDrop. And in here, you need to make sure that you have it on everyone for 10 minutes. This is really important because contacts only can cause some devices not showing up and stuff like that. So for this, click on everyone for 10 minutes. And then the next important thing we are going to check is in our main settings area, and we're going to screen time. In screen time, we're scrolling down, and here we see restrictions, content and privacy restrictions. Click on this. And in here we click on allowed apps and features. And in here we see AirDrop, and right now it is toggled on. And you really need to make sure that this is toggled on, because sometimes this can be toggled off. And this basically will mean that apps are not able to use AirDrop. So that are the main things you can do to fix the AirDrop issues. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.